Hi YouTube, it's me Jen, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a unicorn crown. It's very easy to do and I'm going to use the roses that I showed you in my last video how to make. I hope that you like this video, that you give me a like, that you subscribe, and I will see you next time. Let's go and watch this video. So first of all, we're going to start making a template, and I'm using one that I normally use for making basic crowns, and I'm going to leave you all the measurements. This is the width, and now I'm going to leave you the height. So basically I'm just going to point out only the 3 spikes in the middle. So the middle one is going to be the horn, and the ones at the sides are going to be the ears. As you can see, I'm just smoothing out the pointy edges so they look like an ear. And that's the only change that I'm going to be making in the pattern. And I just have to cut it out. Now we're going to transfer it into the foamiran. I'm just going to flip it the other way around, and instead of just tracing it onto the foamiran, one thing that I like to do, and for me it's very useful, is just to tape it down. It makes it so easier and you don't make any mistakes using this method. So I hope that is useful for you. And that's basically it. I'm just taping it all the edges and all the sides onto the foamiran. As you can see this way, to me it's much easier to cut it out. The color that I'm using is a glittery white, but you can make your unicorn any color. It can be blue, purple, pink. I just wanted to make it classic. This was for my niece, as she was turning 7 years old, and I made this crown for her birthday and she really loved it. Once I finish, I like to just keep the template that I used, as you can see. Here we have the crown that I used, and now I have also the unicorn crown template. And now we're just going to make all of the decorations. I'm going to use the flowers, the ears, and we're going to make the horn. So for making the horn, I'm using this golden glittery foamiran, and I'm just tracing like the surface of the basic template. So the basic template that's going to be underneath. I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to do the same thing with the ears, but I'm going to make it slightly smaller. And now you just have to just glue it. I'm using just silicone, and you can also use hot glue gun, but to me I prefer to use just plain silicone because you don't get burned. I think it's easier. It depends on you. So as you can see, I'm just sticking the ears, the flowers, the horn. You can stick more things onto it. You can stick a rainbow, some clouds. I just wanted it to be simple. And now I'm going to show you how I make the eyes, which is very simple. Using using this type of foamiran, which is not plain. It has like a little bit of fur, which I like. And you have to use something round. You're going to trace a semicircle and then you're going to trace it downwards. And then at the sides, we're going to do spikes to make like little eyelashes. And that's it. It's so easy to make eyes using foamiran for unicorns. And now you just have to cut it out and stick it to your unicorn. Now we are almost finished. We only have to add the Velcro that is going to adjust to the head of the one that's going to wear the crown. And I make this so easy. You just have to cut a little bit of Velcro. I'm using this sticky one. So you're going to cut one of the sides and the same length on both of them. Then we're going to put them together, as you can see in the video. And we're going to cut the other side. And we're going to move on to one of the sides. We're going to take off the sticky paper so we can stick it on. And we're also going to remove now the other part, like the part on top. And once you have that, you only have to put the other side on top of the Velcro and pull it out. You're going to see right now how I do it. You can see you take like the sticky part and now you just fold it inwards. You stick it on top, you press a little bit so it stays secure, and once you see it's completely stuck, and you can just open it, and now you have your adjustable crown. I hope that you like this video. I really love this crown. My niece was so happy. And tell me in the comments if you want to see other videos like this. This is Jenny, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to leave me a comment, subscribe. I love you. Bye bye.